Welcome back, everyone. The crypto bull run is here and the excitement is palpable. But let me ask you this. Are you really prepared to capitalize on it? This market can make millionaires overnight, but it can also leave you empty-handed if you don't have a strategy. In today's video, I'm going to share the exact plan I'm following to maximize my gains in the current cycle. Whether you're aiming for your first 10x or ready to play 100x opportunities, this is about being smart, not reckless. We will cover why Bitcoin rally is just the beginning, how to identify where is the money flowing next, key strategies for finding altcoin gems before they explode, my personal exit strategies, because knowing when to sell is as important as knowing when to buy. And if you stay until the end, I'll share the tool and mindset shift that have helped me navigate markets like this one. Calm, calculated, and consistent. So grab a cup of tea, stay focused, and let's dive in. This isn't about surviving the bull run. It's about thriving in it. Let's get started. Let's start with a big question. Why is Bitcoin pumping that hard right now? And why is it just the beginning? There are four main reasons driving this rally. First point, pro-crypto policies and leadership. The election of Donald Trump has reignited confidence in the crypto market. Trump's administration has made significant pro-crypto moves, like replacing key figures at the SEC with leaders more aligned with innovation. This shift in regulation is creating a fertile environment for institutional investors to pour in capital. We've seen big players like MicroStrategy buying Bitcoin aggressively. This institutional confidence is contagious, sparking a broader wave of adoption. Second, the approval of the Bitcoin spot ETF this year was a game changer. This opened the door for retirement funds like 401k and IRS to invest into Bitcoin. These investors are not here to flip coins. They are here to buy and hold for the long term, creating consistent upward pressure on prices. Third, we can't ignore the fundamentals. Bitcoin's halving, which happened less than a year ago, has reduced the supply of new Bitcoins entering the market. Combine this with increasing demand, and what you get is simple economics. Reduced supply, higher prices. And lastly, public interest is climbing steadily. But we are not even at peak level yet. Google search for Bitcoin shows that interest is still at just half it was during the last bull run. This means there is plenty of room for new retail investors to join the party. So here is the takeaway. Bitcoin is pumping, yes. But this is just the start. We are currently in an accumulation phase where smart money is quietly building its positions, anticipating what's coming next. But if you want to make life-changing gains in this market, Bitcoin isn't where the biggest opportunities lie. The next step is to understand where the money flows after Bitcoin peaks. And little spoiler, it's not Ethereum this time. Now that we understand why Bitcoin is rallying, the real question is, where does the money flows next? In every bull market, we see a predictable pattern, a flow of money that guides us where the biggest opportunities lie. Let's break it down. First, after Bitcoins dominate the spotlight, money typically starts to flow into high market cap altcoins. Think of projects like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano. These are the dinosaurs of the crypto space, established, trusted, and already sitting on large market caps. While they might not give you the 100x return that you dream of, they are the next step for many institutional investors and retail investors entering the market. This time, though, we are seeing something interesting. Solana is stealing the show from Ethereum. The market seems to be skipping Ethereum entirely, heading straight for Solana, which has been rallying faster than ever. With its current trajectory, Solana could break $500 or even $1,000 this cycle. Once the large caps have pumped, the money flows into mid and low caps altcoins. And this is where things get really exciting. These smaller market cap projects are like powder kegs, waiting for a spark. It doesn't take much money to send them skyrocketing. We're talking about 10x, 50x's, even 100x's potential gains if you choose the right ones. Timing is critical here. By the time these low caps start to move, we are often into what I call true altcoin season. A period where almost every altcoin is rallying 20 to 30% daily. But let me be clear, we are not there yet. Right now, money is still transitioning from Bitcoin to the high caps, which means we still have time for positioning ourselves before the smaller altcoin starts exploding. Here is where things start to get interesting. The flow of money is not random. It follows narratives. In past cycle, we saw DeFi and NFTs dominate. This time, I believe the top narratives are AI agents, meme coins, infrastructure play like layer 2 solutions. So why these narratives? Because they resonate with both crypto-native crowd and the broader public. AI agents, for instance, are redefining what automation can be in the crypto space, while meme coins are capturing cultural moments and speculative fervor. By identifying these trends early, you can position yourself to catch the wave before it crests. So to summarize this point, money flows from Bitcoin to large caps, then to smaller caps. Halt season hasn't started yet, but it's coming. Focus on key narratives to identify projects with explosive potential. Alright, now that we know where the money is flowing, let's talk strategy. A bull market is full of opportunities, but without the right approach, you can easily miss out, or worse, lose your gains. Here is how to stay ahead and make the most of this cycle. First, understand that not all the plays are created equal. In a bull market, we are looking for high reward, low risk setup. For example, instead of chasing every pump, focus on projects with solid fundamentals and strong narrative. Low-cap altcoins on decentralized exchanges often present the highest potential returns. But remember, they are also the riskiest. That's why I recommend to start with a portfolio of large and mid caps, then diversifying into smaller, speculative plays. One of the biggest mistakes people make is spreading themselves too thin. They try to chase every trend and end up losing focus. Instead, pick 1 to 3 narratives that resonate with you and dive deep into them. For me, this cycle, I'm focusing on AI agents, changing how we interact with crypto and automating the trading process, meme coins, capturing cultural trends and speculative hype, and layer 2 solutions, scaling infrastructure to support mass adoption. By focusing your attention, you will have the time and energy to research the best projects, understand their values, and position yourself before the masses arrive. If you are hearing about a project on mainstream platforms or centralized exchanges, it's often too late to catch the biggest gains. The key is to act early. Look for projects on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or DEX tools before they are listed on major platforms. This is where you will find these elusive 10x and 50x opportunities. Here is a pro tip. Monitor communities on platforms like Discord, Telegram, and X to discover hidden gems before they explode. It takes effort, but this is where fortunes are made. Even the best strategy can fail if you don't have a plan. That's why you need to set clear entry and exit points for every trade. Before you buy, ask yourself, what's my target price? How much am I willing to lose if things go wrong? Remember, a bull market can make you greedy, but sticking to a disciplined plan ensures you lock in profits and protect your capital. Finally, understand that volatility is part of the game. Prices will swing widely and emotions will run high. The key is to stay grounded. Stick to your strategy, avoid chasing pumps, and don't panic during corrections. Every pullback is an opportunity to buy quality assets at a discount. Remember, the goal isn't just to make money, it's to keep it. And that requires staying disciplined, no matter how crazy market gets. So to recap this point, look for high reward, low risk setup. Focus on 1 to 3 narratives you believe in. Act early before the mainstream catches on. Set clear entry and exit points. Stay calm and prepare for volatility. Making money in a bull run is one thing, but keeping it, that's where the real challenge lies. A good exit strategy is the key to ensuring you don't ride the wave all the way up and then all the way back down. So let's break this down. Before you even buy, you need to decide when you will sell. This means setting specific price targets for your assets. If you are investing in an altcoin, decide upfront, at what price will I take some profits? At what price will I exit entirely? Remember, you don't need to sell everything at once. You can scale out of your position gradually, securing profits while keeping exposure for potential upside. Another way to time your exit is monitoring market sentiment. In the final stages of a bull run, you'll start seeing signs like everyone, including your non-crypto friends, talking about Bitcoin. Crypto ads and apps everywhere. unrealistic predictions becoming mainstream. When these signals start piling up, it's often a good time to start reducing exposure. The louder the hype, the closer we are to the market top. Technical indicators can also help you identify when the market is overheating. Tools like the Fear and Greed Index, extreme greed is often a signal of a top. RSI, which is Relative Strength Index, overbought levels suggest the market is due for a correction. And Bitcoin dominance, when it peaks and starts falling, it signals a shift to altcoins and eventually the end of the cycle. While no indicator is perfect, combining these can give you a clearer picture of when to exit. My golden rule: take profits as the market rises. Don't wait the perfect top. It's impossible to time perfectly. For example, take out your initial investment once you double the position, sell 20 to 30% of your position at key price milestones, and keep a moon bag, a small portion you hold on to, in case the price goes parabolic. By taking profit this way, you'll protect your gains while staying in the game. The biggest trap in a bull market is greed. You see the price climbing and you think it will never stop. Don't let the fear of missing out make you hold too long. Finally, make your profits real by using them. Buy that watch you've been eyeing. Take your family on a vacation or reinvest into something outside of crypto. By converting your gains into tangible rewards, you will feel the real value of your success and avoid the temptation to keep it all on the table. So to summarize this point, set clear price target before you buy. Monitor market sentiments for signs of a top. Use indicators like Fear and Greed Index to guide your decisions. Take profits as prices rise. Don't let greed cloud your judgment. Reward yourself for success. Now you might be wondering, what if I sell too early or too late? Don't worry. We will address that next as we dive into psychology of holding and exiting. In the world of crypto, where the highs can be euphoric and the lows can be crushing, one thing separates the winners from everyone else: discipline. Without it, even the best strategies will fail. Let's talk about how you can build discipline and stay grounded during this bull run. The first step to discipline is clarity. Write down your plan, not just in your head, but on paper or on a digital document. And your plan should include your goals, how much do you want to make, your strategy, when you will buy and sell, your risk tolerance, how much are you willing to lose. When emotions take over, this document will be your anchor, reminding you of the decisions you made when your mind was clear. Discipline is built on the everyday actions you take. Create a routine that supports your focus and mental clarity. For me, this means daily exercise to stay physically sharp, prayers or meditation to clear my mind, regular check-ins with my portfolio, but only at scheduled time to avoid overreacting. A strong routine keeps you balanced even when the market is chaotic. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is overtrading, constantly jumping in and out of positions based on short-term price movements. This happens because of FOMO, fear of missing out, or impatience, but it often leads to unnecessary losses. Remember, the best traders are patient. Sometimes the best move is to don't do nothing and let the market come to you. You need to set realistic expectations. It's easy to get caught up in the dream of making millions overnight. But let's be real. Most people won't even hit 100x. And success comes often from consistent, smaller wins over time. By setting realistic expectations, you will avoid the frustration that leads to bad decisions. Also, you really need to limit noise and distractions. In a bull market, everyone becomes an expert. Social media will bombard you with opinions, predictions, and hype. But here is the truth: most of it is noise. So unfollow accounts that don't add value. Focus on your research and trusted sources. The less noise you have, the more confident you will feel in your decisions. Discipline doesn't mean to be perfect. It means showing up consistently and learning from mistakes. Celebrate your small wins, whether it's sticking to your plan, taking profits at the right time, or avoiding FOMO. These moments of recognition keep you grounded and motivated. Crypto moves 24/7, but you are not a machine. Neglecting your health will lead to burnout and bad decisions. Prioritize sleep, aim for 7 to 8 hours, nutrition, fuel your body with healthy food, and recovery, so take breaks from the screen. A strong body and a clear mind are your best tools in navigating this market. To summarize, write down your plan. Build a routine that keeps you focused. Avoid overtrading. Set realistic expectations. Cut out the noise. Celebrate your progress and take care of your health. Discipline isn't just about making better decisions. It's about becoming the person that can thrive into any market conditions. We've covered a lot today. Everything from understanding the flow of money in a bull market to identifying narratives, managing risks, setting exit strategies, and staying disciplined. Let me take a moment to bring everything together for you. So first, remember the basics. Follow the flow of money. Understand where the market is heading and position yourself early. Then pick a few narratives. Don't spread yourself too thin. Focus on 1 to 3 areas where you can. Go deep and build conviction. Set clear goals and exit strategies. Know your numbers, how much you want to make, and when you will take profits. Stay disciplined. A clear mind and healthy body are your greatest assets in a volatile market. This isn't just about making money. It's about doing so sustainably. Crypto is as much a psychological game as it is a financial one. So avoid FOMO. You don't need to catch every pump to win. Take profits when you've hit your targets. Don't wait for the perfect top because it rarely comes. And most importantly, don't let greed and fear dictate your decisions. A calm investor is a profitable investor. And remember, this bull run is a phase. It will end just like the ones before it. But what matters is how you position yourself for the long term. The market will go through cycles, but your financial education, discipline, and ability to adapt will keep you winning no matter what happened. Then stay grounded. It's easy to get lost in the excitement and the numbers, but don't forget why you're here. Maybe it's to achieve financial freedom, help your family, or build something meaningful. Whatever your reason, keep it close. This journey is about more than just money. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. If this video resonated with you, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments, what's your strategy for this bull run? I'd love to hear how you're approaching the market. In crypto, success isn't luck. It's strategy, discipline, and growth. Let's make this bull run count.